Welcome to our video showcasing common items you'll find in a house. From the cozy living room to the functional kitchen, let's explore the essential pieces that make a house feel like home. 15 structural elements you can see in your house. Door. D-O-O-R. Door. Wall. W-A-L-L. Wall. Ceiling. C-E-I-L-I-N-G. Ceiling. Floor. F-L-O-O-R. Floor. Window. W-I-N-D-O-W. Window. Roof. R-O-O-F. Roof. Stairs. S-T-A-I-R-S. Stairs. Balcony. B-A-L-C-O-N-Y. Balcony. Garage door. G-A-R-A-G-E-D-O-O-R. Garage door. Gate. G-A-T-E. Gate. Letterbox. L-E-T-T-E-R-B-O-X. Letterbox. Garage. G-A-R-A-G-E. Garage. Aerial. A-E-R-I-A-L. Aerial. Garden. G-A-R-D-E-N. Garden. Pillar. P-I-L-L-A-R. Pillar. Chimney. C-H-I-M-N-E-Y. Chimney. Thanks for joining us on this tour of the structural elements of a house. From doors to windows, these components create the foundation of a comfortable home. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights at Examhood.com.